U.S. journalist Evan Gershkovich went on trial behind closed doors in the Russian city of Yekaterinburg, where he faces charges of espionage and a likely sentence of up to 20 years in prison. Prosecutors say the Wall Street Journal reporter gathered secret information on the orders of the U.S. Central Intelligence Agency about a company that manufactures tanks for Russia's war in Ukraine. Gershkovich, his newspaper and the U.S. government all reject the allegations and say that he was just doing his job as a reporter accredited by the Foreign Ministry to work in Russia. This bogus accusation of espionage will inevitably lead to a bogus conviction for an innocent man, Wall Street Journal editor-in-chief Emma Tucker said in a letter to readers. The U.S. Embassy said in a statement, "His case is not about evidence, procedural norms, or the rule of law. It is about the Kremlin using American citizens to achieve its political objectives." After several hours of closed proceedings, the court said the next session would take place on August 13, an indication the case will drag on for months. Closed trials are standard in Russia for alleged treason or espionage involving classified material. The lawyers sign non-disclosure agreements, preventing the emergence of any details on Gershkovich's alleged actions and how he will defend himself. The Kremlin says the case and the trial arrangements are a matter for the court, but has stated, without publishing evidence, that Gershkovich was caught red-handed. Against the background of the Ukraine war, he and other Americans detained in Russia have been caught up in the gravest crisis between Moscow and Washington for more than 60 years. Gershkovich was one of a small number of Western reporters who continued to report from inside Russia.